Hey, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This video is for Aircool, the team over at Aircool HVAC. This is going to be a short video in which I'll explain 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you saw and heard, shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, that's fine by me too. So let me get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to talk about today are going to be citations, content, and backlinks. First, I'll be talking about content. As you can see, I'm on your home page right here. What I mean by content is anything that's on this home page, pictures, words, videos, all that stuff. So as a general recommendation, I like to tell all my customers that they should have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page right here, which you want to be keyword rich and targeted so it can rank, or rather outrank the competition and rank higher on Google searches. So you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this front page. Another thing I would recommend, or this header right here, it scrolls down and takes up about half of the page. So you could have this be stationary and stay here, or rather static instead of it being dynamic and moving all the time. That's just a suggestion. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. And I just did a quick search for HVAC companies in New York City. Just to show you exactly how customers would see a similar search like this. So as you can see, the first thing that pops up are these 3 boxes right here. This section is called the Google Guarantee. This is a paid service through Google in which they run businesses through a verification process, and once they approve businesses, they allow them to advertise with them right here. It's a great place to be because that's the first thing customers see, and this provides really strong leads. After that, we go down to the Google Ads section, the traditional Google Ads section, in which it's kind of a hit or miss depending on who you work with and how they place your ads. And in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers and they don't see any of these ads right here. So people still run these ads and they can be valuable if placed properly. They can give you some leads too. After that, we go down to this map pack section. Here I'll explain to you what a citation is. So a citation is basically anywhere on the web that allows you to put in your business information, such as your business name, address, and phone number. So you'll put these in big national directories. A directory is like a Yelp, White Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, that kind of stuff. And this is a great place for any business to be. This also shows up on people's phones when they search it. I always recommend, and we help businesses move on to these top 3 sections right here. After that, you go down to this organic section. This is where websites organically have outranked the competition and moved up to the first page of Google searches. This is a great place to be. We also help businesses come on the first page through SEO and other means. The last thing I'm going to talk about today is going to be backlinks. So a backlink is any website out there which provides a link to your website, giving you traffic, giving you keywords. And for that, I use this tool called AHREFS. It's a really great tool. It's a paid service, but it provides me with great information on how to assess the performance of a website. As you can see, I've entered your guys' information right here, aircoolhvac.com. And from what it's showing me, you guys have 4 referring domains, giving you 5 backlinks, giving you 14 organic keywords, driving 3 organic traffic to your website per month. So 3 people visiting the website per month. So to put this into context, I've went ahead and opened a top competitor in New York City to show you what their numbers look like. Here it is. As you can see, it's a pretty big difference, but let me just tell you the numbers. They've got 716 referring domains, giving them more than 3,000 backlinks, giving them 27,000 keywords, which give them at least 26,000 people visiting their website or organic traffic per month. So this is the numbers where you want to be heading towards. This is you guys back here again. So to boost these numbers, it's really doable, and we specialize in that. And with that, let me go back to your home page right here. I told you I'll keep the video short. That's all I had for today. I really hope the video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can talk. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today. I just like some feedback on this video and what you thought about it and how I did. I really appreciate that. And with that, thank you so much for watching and you have a great day.